My name is Ankit Srivastava, your host for this amazing digital platform named Know Your Entrepreneurs. Just like KYC, Know Your Customers, we have created this online thing which is known as Know Your Entrepreneurs. It is a digital interaction. Here we get all the budding and enthusiastic entrepreneurs to speak out with their heart about their journey, how they have put their values in different aspects of society and to the people with whom they are associated with. Me along with my amazing team have came up with this idea to bring a real entrepreneurs, heroes of the society, and now it's their time to get the actual limelight which they actually deserve. So today we have Mr. Harsh Suvarna of the brand name Bazaar Vile. First of all, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for coming up and accepting our proposal for this interesting Q&A session. Now I would like Mr. Harsh to give few words about his business, what he do, and especially to start with, I would like to ask why the name Bazaar Vile. Like, what is the it's a very unique name that I have heard about. Yeah, please, Harsh.
So hello Ankit, first of all, thank you for letting me in the platform. And my name is Harsh. So I'm from basically the company named Bazaar Vile. We are into corporate merchandising and personalized t-shirt manufacturing. Bazaar Vile is a unique name altogether. It's basically we have searched this down and noted down because Bazaar Vile means bazaar is basically the price pool. The people are looking for. Like, we just want to show that we are not luxury or ultra luxury brand, and Vile is quality. Usually we denote Vile with the quality, so it's quality of Vile at the price of bazaar. Right. So that's the idea behind Bazaar Vile.
Okay.
And about Bazaar Vile, basically we have started 2016, 3 or 4 years back. So with a basic idea, we are at that time we are in college. So like this startup like कीड़ा होता है. So want to do some innovative thing and want to start my own because disruption हो गया, innovation हो गया, entrepreneurship हो गया, ये थोड़ा सा passion रहता ही है. So उस time college के time पे last year में we have come up with the idea. So we have started with t-shirt printing, customized t-shirt printing. Why we are unique? Why we are different? Because we are into personalization. We are the India's only brand that started with the idea of personalization, that one-to-one interaction for particular design.
So starting with the first question, it's basically been asked by everybody to everybody, but majority of people, they don't know eventually what's your why. Like, why are you doing all these things? Eventually you're doing an e-commerce. Why? What is that?
So the one word answer would be that is passion. And to explain more about it, basically people said you need a lot of patience to doing something, or people usually say you have a lot of patience to do this business, to have doing this all the things. So it's true to have passion, but the fear to fail out in the society, the fear to fail out from the idea is the biggest challenge that gives you motivation. So basically we have started with a product that is our first company. We are looking forward for we are 3 partners. So we are all 3 called Hitat, me and Santosh. So we have started the company and we are looking for the ideas. Yeah. So we are coming up with the basics problem solving question that everybody is looking for, the t-shirt that people are not able to personalize. So हम लोगों ने सोचा कुछ खुरापाती करते हैं, इसी से रिलेटेड यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं और ट्रेंड के बारे में सबको पता ही है बेसिकली. सो वी नो मीम्स, वी नो द करंट सिनेरियो, उससे रिलेटेड कुछ डिजाइन्स बनाएंगे. सो इट्स हाउ इट्स ऑल स्टार्टेड.
Right. Very good. Yeah. So eventually passion is your why, and that's I'll be very honest with you. That is my why also. That is the only reason why I do keep on doing multiple things. Passion drives people. That's I believe. Like, even वो नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं होगा. So immediately hitting to the next questions. So what is in this work gives you feeling of accomplishment or kick? बोलते ना कि ये काम किया तो मुझे मुझे मजा आया करने से. What was that?
So the first kick was that basically हम लोगों ने ये idea pitch करा अपने college में to our professor, and the thing is that we got first order from our college itself. Wow. So we get more motivated that our college is supporting. So it's our first order, then we keep on doing it. Like 2016, 2017, we have raised, we have things and going, all the things are going on. So last year we are the India's only brand. We might be the second one in that. We are the first in Central India who was coming up with the direct to garment printing technology. That is also a
Okay.
disruption in the market basically.
Okay.
So
Okay.
first machine installed, that is a brother machine GTX that is installed in Mumbai. Then we are the second in central. We are the first in central India and second in India with this
Mm-hmm.
machine with this technology. And eventually, December last 2018, we got the clients like Google. So that is
Oh,
the biggest thing we have. So in 2 years, we have like names, brand names like Google in our portfolio. We have brands like Flipkart, Amazon, Barclays. So a lot of companies we are
nice.
working for.
Nice. Now, very nice, very nice here. So, I'm pretty much sure you have seen the success part, but you must have also seen struggle on the way. So, what barriers you had before that you broke during your entrepreneurship journey? Like, you must have some barrier which you must have broken to achieve. Like, Google is a big name, like we all know. So, what did you do different?
So basically the first barrier was कि यार कॉलेज से सबको 9 to 5 जॉब नहीं करना होता है बट
Correct. Correct.
बहुत सारी चीजें we have started with 7 to 8 people initially in our
Correct.
company. So we have 7
Correct.
to 8 co-founders in the first year that when we were in college. So उसमें से सबको पेरेंट्स को मनाना कि भाई we want to start our own और हमें करना है ये कुछ है तो keep on asking कि क्या करोगे इतने सारे लोग हो ऐसा है वैसा है.
Correct.
So हम लोग ने बात करा है देन एट लास्ट वी आर कमिंग अप विद कि हम लोग 3 लोग बचे और हम 3 लोग में 7-8 लोग का टीम 3 लोग में बिकॉज सब ने प्लेसमेंट लिया चले गए यार अब नहीं
Yeah.
होगा. एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जर्नी में थोड़ा सा स्ट्रगल नहीं होता.
बहुत.
एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जर्नी में जितना प्लेसमेंट को आप जितना सोचते हो उससे ज्यादा आपको 2-3 साल स्ट्रगल करना है और इसके बिना हार्ड वर्क के बिना देयर इज नो सक्सेस. देयर इज नो अदर पार्ट देयर इज नो शॉर्टकट फॉर इट सक्सेस. सो
Correct.
वो फर्स्ट था कि पेरेंट्स को मनाया. देन सेकंड थिंग कन्विंस देम कि भाई वी हैव डन अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग अब हमें बहुत सारे फंड रेजिंग की जरूरत है और मशीन्स इंस्टॉलमेंट्स की जरूरत है. तो वी आर लकी कि हम लोग के पेरेंट्स ने सपोर्ट करा. So we are bootstrapped company. We have not in raised
Yeah.
investment yet. We are in talks with. So मतलब we are looking forward now. But अभी तक हम लोगों ने bootstrap company अभी तक हमने funds बाहर से raise नहीं करे. So that is the second challenge जो हम लोगों ने accomplish करा कि we convince our parents
Yeah.
to invest in our company.
Yeah. And that's a very tough thing. First generation को अपने पेरेंट्स को कन्विंस करना itself is the biggest challenge because coming from a अच्छा खासा salary वाला background, that's a challenge that I agree absolutely. Yeah. Now at this point, what is required for you to reach your business aspiration? Like you are going step by step. I'm pretty aware of all this, but what is the present you feel that will help you achieve your future aspirations of business?
So basically, we are working in multiple, like we are right now currently we are dealing into 4 segments. That is Bazaarville fashion. There is a single segment. Then Bazaarville corporate, Bazaarville dropship, and Bazaarville merchandise. We are doing right now. So हम लोग अभी पूरा के पूरा जो कलेक्शन है समर देयर इज एन समर कलेक्शन वी आर वर्किंग ऑन बट अभी कोविड की लॉकडाउन की वजह से मतलब थोड़ा सा सब कुछ चेंज हो गया है स्ट्रैटेजी में. बट आई एम प्रीटी मच श्योर कि डिजिटल अगेन मतलब डिजिटल इंडस्ट्री विल बूम. मतलब ई कॉमर्स वापस से 2020-2021 में वापस आएगा. सो we are in talk with multiple corporates to do some मतलब to launch our product this year or by the start of next year.
Yeah. Nice. That's very futuristic, and that you are in right path. I would say from my experience. And so next question is like more of personal, as in how this venture has changed you. Like I'm pretty much sure coming out from college, किसी का फिकर नहीं पड़ता, no salary to earn, no salary to give. So this as a group, as in you have your own team, your partners, how this venture has changed you as an individual?
So firstly, it changed me a lot. मतलब the thing is कि I have started waking up early. जल्दी उठने का एक चैलेंज रहता है इंजीनियर्स के साथ हमेशा से because हम लोग को रात को काम करने की आदत होती है. So when I have started my business, so उसके बाद एक सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज था कि मेरे को तो आना ही है, टीम को भी आना है. और in real world we need to match that time. मतलब 9 to 5 वाला एक कॉर्पोरेट टाइम तो होता ही है. बट somehow we managed. और सबसे पहले तो उठना सीखा और खुद पे इन्वेस्ट करा, बहुत सारी चीजें, मतलब बहुत सारा टाइम इन्वेस्ट करा, बहुत सारा, मतलब देयर इज अ हैबिट, मतलब बहुत सारा केस स्टडीज, बहुत सारी मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस, बहुत सारे टेक्नोलॉजी इनोवेशन थिंग्स। तो कीप ऑन लर्निंग, और मजा भी आता है, मतलब जस्ट टू स्टार्ट विथ, और जस्ट टू लाइक व्हाट वी आर डूइंग नाउ, हम लोग को डेली कुछ ना कुछ इनोवेशन लगता है, ट्रेंड के साथ सिंक करना पड़ता है, तो लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च नीड टू डू ऑल दिस थिंग। सो जो वी है कि रोज नया सुबह उठ के कुछ नया सीखना है, तो वो मेरे को हमेशा अपडेटेड रखता है अपने मतलब रेगुलर लाइफ से, और दैट्स ऑल। मतलब आई लव टू मीट न्यू पीपल, सो नाउ आफ्टर डूइंग दिस, तो अब तो आई हैव लॉट ऑफ कनेक्शंस में, डेली 50-60 नए लोगों से मिलता हूँ, नए नए कनेक्शंस बनाता हूँ, पिच करता हूँ बिजनेस के बारे में, फाइनेंस सीखा, फाइनेंस के लिए जीरो था, मतलब चिड़ मचती थी, तो अकाउंट्स फाइनेंस के बारे में सीखा, सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग, टीम बिल्डिंग हुआ, तो स्टार्टअप में बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं सीख जाता है।
Right. Nice. Yeah, that is very much important, because eventually, whatever we studied, it's all language, it's all whatever we have done, engineering kiya, the practical field pe aata hai, the world is very different, and we know eventually it has been said, the person who is good in a team management will always thrive and can do anything if in case his wish is to do anything. So last question. So you are yourself as you are a young entrepreneur, your team is very young, but still you have achieved, like you have done something, jhande ukhadne wale, you have done a decent job. Now, so what would be your word of wisdom to the new guys who are coming up, like who want to, see, who want to come in the e-commerce business, who are planning to start anything. So what would be your word of wisdom to those guys?
So basically मैं यहाँ पे मतलब इट्स नॉट लाइक कि कुछ ज्ञान वाला चीज, जस्ट लाइक कि मैंने डे टू डे लाइफ में क्या अभी तक अपनी जर्नी में अपने स्टार्टअप में सीखा, मैं उसको बताना चाहूंगा कि टू स्टार्ट दैट द पीपल हैव लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ आइडिया, बट आई एम प्रीटी मच श्योर कि आपको भी मतलब डेली कुछ ना कुछ 50-60 मतलब आप महीने में एक्यूमुलेट कर लेते हो आइडिया, रोज 5-10 नए आइडियाज आते हैं सबको। सो हर एंटरप्रेन्योर, हर स्टार्टअप गाय को इतने 5-10 आइडिया नए नए आते रहते हैं, यार ये कर सकता हूँ, ये कर सकता हूँ, ये कर सकता हूँ, बट स्टिक टू दैट आइडिया, बिलीव इन दैट एंड क्रिएट प्रोडक्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आइडिया इज नॉट दैट मच इंपॉर्टेंट, पीपल कैन नॉट बिलीव ऑन आइडियाज। आप जाओगे किसी के सामने पिच करोगे तो वो it doesn't make any difference. You need to believe on your idea, you need to make believe to other कि ये आपका idea and this is the product, and then you can sell it. That is the biggest thing. So over the period of time you need to make sure कि आप कुछ सोसाइटी को कुछ दे रहे हो, आप सोसाइटी का कुछ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहे हो, और आपका जो आइडिया आप उसको बिलीव ऑन, देन ट्रांसफॉर्म इट इनटू अ प्रोडक्ट एंड लॉन्च इट। You will people will definitely accept it.
करने के बाद सबका थॉट यही रहता है कि let's do a job, पैसे कमा लो, but to leave that comfort and getting in this is itself, it's a very motivation, and you never know to whom you are motivating, yaar. Like since you have put this on video, probably किसी engineer को motivate कर दे, and your value of giving it back to the society will get solved.
Yeah. And I will promote Know Your Entrepreneur, and I'm like thankful to invite me on this platform and sharing my thoughts regarding the entrepreneurship journey and startup, and all the very best to Know Your Entrepreneur team, and had a great videos ahead and a great interviews ahead.
Thank you, thanks a lot.